In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Shopify phone number in your account and in your store's footer. We'll cover both the behind-the-scenes profile number that Shopify uses to reach you and the customer-facing number that appears on your storefront. I'll walk you through each area so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, let's update the phone number on your Shopify profile. In your Shopify admin, look to the top right corner and click your store name or your profile picture. This opens your profile page, where you'll see your basic details like your name and email. In the Details section, locate the field for your phone number. Here, you can choose what you want to do. Select Add to enter a new number, Update to change the current one, or Remove if you don't want a number on file. When you add or update, Shopify will guide you through brief prompts. Make sure you pick the correct country code before typing your number and enter the digits carefully to avoid typos. If Shopify asks you to confirm the number, complete that step so the change is verified. This number is important for administrative notifications and security-related messages, so it should be a number you actively use. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. That's all you need to do on the profile side. Now, let's change the phone number that customers see in your store's footer. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find your current theme and click Customize. This opens the Theme Editor. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and select Footer. In that section, click Add Block and choose Rich Text. This adds a text area where you can place your contact details. Type in your phone number exactly as you want customers to see it. It's a good idea to include the country code or formatting your customers will recognize. And you can add additional contact information here if you prefer, such as business hours or a short support note. When you're done, click Save to lock in the changes. To recap, you've updated your profile phone number in the admin so Shopify can contact you when needed. And you've also set the phone number customers will see in your site's footer by editing your theme's footer content. Keeping both up to date helps ensure you don't miss important notifications and that your customers always have the right way to reach you.